Hey everyone, welcome back. Today this video I'm going to make beef 90. It's a dry fried beef. It's really good. This recipe too is very simple. You can make this in 15-20 minutes. Let's start cooking. First let's marinate the beef. I have taken half kg beef cut into thin strips. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of curd, also called yogurt, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Whisk an egg and add half of it. That's good enough. Also I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour, some salt to taste, give all of this a good mix for a minute. Cover this, let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Heat oil for frying. When the oil is hot enough, bring it to medium heat. Drop in the marinated beef pieces and fry until the meat is nice and brown. This beef strip will not take much time to cook. It's almost done. Transfer to a paper towel. Turn off the flame and keep this aside. In a pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt. In this, I'm adding 3 red chilies, that's for the flavor, and 4 green chilies, and a few curry leaves. Saute it well. Add the fried beef. And toss it well. Our beef is done. Turn off the flame. Beef 90 is ready to serve. Do try this recipe at home. Let me know how it goes for you. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.